got the truck on 35s now. And I gotta say, it looks a whole lot better, but it's still just kind of normal, you know? These trucks got such a big wheel well and so tall that it just looks like a normal pickup truck. Kind of give you a front view of it. The tires are 35 by 12.5 18s. So it looks a little bit better, and then I got it on the stock wheels, so I got some, you know, it's got more poke away from the wheel. Maybe 1.5 inches or so, right there. So the rim's tucked in there. That looks good. But I'm gonna have to get this truck wider. Well, I got the basic necessities to get your truck looking good. Get rid of your old tires, 4 spacers, anti-seize, and my toolbox. Okay, the truck's jacked up, and I did the honors of taking most of the lug nuts off so you don't have to watch all that junk. But I finally get to put this dude to use. On. And 2. Get this off. Yeah. Get them junk bolt Willy Bobs on that motherfucker. This, for the most part, is clean. So, you got a good. Make sure you got a good mounting surface for your spacer. I went with the Rough Countries. 2-inch spacers, because the price was right, and they're hub centric, so I'm gonna run them. I ain't never seen no problems out of them, and I mean, Rough Country being a big company, I don't think they can afford issues, if you feel me. I'm gonna put a little bit of anti-seize on the back of the spacer, because I don't want it sticking and not coming off. So just a little bit here and there. Smear it everywhere. I got a lot right here. Bring some over here. What do I do with it? I'll put it on my shoe. I've seen other people run these Rough Country spacers and not have any issues from it. So I'm gonna zip 2 of them in. Let that spacer move itself over. That, and then I messed up. Pull one lug off. What I want you to do is to look down in there. If, let's say you put 2 lugs on, and the hole of your lug, one of the lugs without a nut on it, if the gap is symmetrical all the way around, you're good. So, and mine are, so I'm gonna zip all these up. Okay, I'm gonna torque all these down to 100 foot-pounds, I think. I don't know, sounds normal. I don't have the backs on yet, but Damn. That looks good.